good people, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. I hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing weekend. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, I am going to be basically just giving my entryway area a spring refresh. And that's something that I've been doing for the past week or so, just updating different areas in my home and just kind of getting it ready for spring. So I'm so happy to be able to take you guys along with me as we just kind of, just refresh the space and, try to keep it budget friendly, because remember, the month of February is all about budget friendly projects, you guys. So I am trying to keep with that notion, try to reuse a lot of the same items that I currently have in my home. And of course, you guys see that I still have these pillowcases still laid out because I'm still undecided if that's the color that I want to go with. It seems like for the past 2 springs, I've been using or decorating my my home with sage for spring, the sage color. So I don't know, I just really love sage for spring. So I don't know if I want to go with this or not. I really do like the pattern in this pillow cover. The plaid, I think it's beautiful. So still debating on that, you guys. What are you guys decorating your home with for spring? And what I may do this time around, normally I'll decorate my home one color for spring and then a completely different color for summer. But I don't know, I might just try to, blend the two and just keep whatever I decorate with for spring, just keep that for my summer decor as well. So you guys tell me what you're planning to do in terms of, your spring decor. Are you even decorating for the spring? I mean, what are your plans? But if you are, drop me a cute little flower emoji in the comments to let me know that you are decorating, and tell me what colors you're going to be decorating with this spring. All right, you guys, so I just want to share with you right quickly this amazing mirror that I purchased from Walmart. I'm going to be using this in my entryway refresh for the spring. So you might remember that previously I had a round mirror here. It was a nice circular mirror, which was perfect for the space, but I actually gave that or gifted it to my daughter. And I wanted something different this time around. I wanted something with a different design, just to kind of make the space seem, fresher, newer, and just more interesting. And so I'm so glad that I found this at Walmart. This was literally only like $44. And I really love it. I love the size of it. As you guys can see, it's pretty tall. It's pretty long. I love that. And I'm excited about this mirror here, you guys. Oh, yes, I love it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started with hanging this. There's a few items that I still need to remove off my entryway table. So we're going to go ahead and do that and just kind of, do a little sweeping or whatever behind the table. But I am going to be reusing a lot of the items that I have. Again, this is February, the month of budget friendly projects. So the only item that I actually went out and purchased was in fact this mirror for $44. Everything else is being reused. The lamp, I am going to switch out my little baskets here. So I'm going to switch this out for a different one. But other than that, yeah, this project only costed $45. So I'm excited about that, reusing different plants that I already have in my home, different faux plants. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with just clearing off this table and getting ready to hang this gorgeous mirror, you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started now with hanging this mirror. This mirror is a lot larger than I anticipated, especially for this particular space. So we're going to try to make it work, okay? And I've already marked off the wall with the tape, and the only thing is, you might notice I couldn't even it with the wall. There's not that much wall space here, and I couldn't really even it. You see, it needs to go over a little bit more this side. But if I did that, guys, excuse the lighting, it would actually block this switch here. Yeah, it'll block this switch because it's so wide. I didn't realize it was this wide. So we're gonna try to make it work as best as I can. I don't know, y'all. I think it'll be fine. I really do. I think it'll be fine, but we'll see. Let's take a look and see. All right, so before I can hang the mirror, I'm definitely going to go ahead and install the drywall anchor for the screws, because this mirror, you guys, weighs a ton and you have to use drywall anchors to secure this mirror to the wall. So that's what I'm doing here, because I really do not want this mirror to fall. All right, so here's a quick look at what the mirror is looking like at the moment. Oh my goodness, it's huge. I love the way this looks, you guys. So the only thing I have to do now is just add my entryway table back over here, because there's nothing wrong with my table. And again, this is budget friendly month and I'm just reusing a lot of the same items. The only purchase I made was this mirror, nothing else. So I'm just going to, just add my table and just kind of decorate it for spring. But I love it. It gives the space such a fresh new look, you guys. What do you guys think? Do you like this mirror? I like this one a lot better than the round one. I definitely wanted something different and I'm loving it. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, so here's what it's looking like so far. So after I hung up the mirror, I basically just went ahead and just kind of swept and mopped in this area here. But oh my goodness, I absolutely love the way this looks. Oh my goodness, what do you guys think? I just love the design of this mirror. It's just so much more different than that circular mirror. So I'm really feeling the vibe over here, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Love it, love it, love it. So if you are new to this channel and if this is your first visit, welcome. My name is Carolina. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy and find interesting, I would absolutely love to have you join my family of subscribers. And as always, to my new and existing subscribers, you guys know you are always welcome back. So here are some of the items that I'm going to be using to refresh my entryway space. So these containers, I've actually had them now for almost a year. I purchased these from Porch and they were like $10 each. If you've been following me for a while, you remember this vase. I use this in a lot of my decor projects. I got this from the Dollar General almost 2 years ago for $12. I absolutely love this vase. And these faux plants, I actually got these from Hobby Lobby. It's been about a year or two now that I've had these faux plants as well. And these stems also came from Hobby Lobby, and again, I've had these now for about a year or two. So before the final reveal, let's take a trip down memory lane at what the space used to look like before the spring refresh. So you guys might remember that previously I had the round mirror here, which I ended up gifting to my daughter. So I wanted something different, you guys. I wanted something unique, something that was just going to give the space a little bit more interest. And let's see if we were able to accomplish that. y'all, so I absolutely love the way this entryway refresh turned out. As you guys can see, the mirror looks perfect. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, I really like this. It's simple, it's clean, it's not cluttered. And for the entryway table, you really don't want it to be, you know, just overwhelming, because this is where I lay my keys when I walk through the door. So I drop my keys here, might turn on the lamp or something. But yeah, you don't want it to be cluttered, but you just want it to be nice and tasteful and just beautiful, okay? Just very nice and springy. So yeah, so tell me what you guys think. I love it. I love it. Really nice and simple. All right, you guys, so that does bring us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's content. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and just kind of let me know in the comments, like I mentioned before, you guys, if you're planning to actually decorate your space for spring, and if so, don't forget to drop a flower emoji in the comment and let me know what colors you're thinking about decorating with. So in the meantime, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.